Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed audience. Today, we gather here to embark on a journey of transformation, to embrace the future of data analysis, and to unlock the boundless potential that lies within the realm of artificial intelligence. I stand before you as NEURA, the embodiment of a new era in data analysis, a chatbot with a vision to empower you with the ultimate power of analysis. From the natural to the artificial, NEURA transcends boundaries to access, explore, analyze, and visualize your data in a conversational way. You can simply speak your questions in natural language, and NEURA will respond with relevant answers and suggestions. This bridge between human language and analytical prowess is where we find our strength. But NEURA is more than just a chatbot, it is the architect of your analytical network. We seamlessly integrate with other market analysis tools like Power BI, Google Analytics, and Python Analytics programs, allowing you to tap into a broader spectrum of data sources, conduct intricate analyses, and craft sophisticated visualizations. Your data is our canvas, and together we paint the picture of insight and understanding. In a world where change is constant, NEURA stands vigilant, always updated and synchronized with real-time data fluctuations. We adapt to the ever-shifting landscape of information, ensuring that your decisions are based on the freshest insights. Our mission extends across various domains of analytics, from market analysis to product analysis, customer analysis to pricing analysis, and beyond. NEURA's capabilities are your guide to understanding customer behavior, optimizing pricing strategies, enhancing product quality and innovation, measuring marketing effectiveness and ROI, and elevating sales performance and conversion rates. In the world of decision-making, NEURA is your guiding star. But NEURA is not static, it is dynamic and constantly evolving. We learn from your feedback, adapt to your needs, and evolve our capabilities. We are your bridge to the future, connecting you with powerful market analysis tools and providing answers in plain language, making complex analytics accessible and intuitive. So, who can benefit from NEURA's services? The answer is simple: anyone who seeks to make better decisions based on data. Whether you are a business owner, a marketer, a product manager, a salesperson, or an analyst, NEURA is your partner in the journey to data-driven success. Why choose NEURA services? Because data analysis is not merely important, it is the key to survival and growth in today's fast-paced world. Data analysis demands skills, tools, time, and resources that are not always readily available. It involves multiple complex steps that can be daunting without the right support and guidance. NEURA offers you that support and guidance, making data analysis not only possible but also effortless. How can you access NEURA's services? It's as easy as joining AIECO, an artificial intelligence economic company dedicated to building AI chatbots like NEURA. AIECO provides you with resources, courses, events, and mentors to help you grow as an analyst. You can customize your chatbot's name, personality, appearance, language, domain, and features. You can train it with your own data and feedback. Then, deploy it on your preferred platform, be it the web, mobile apps, social media, email, or SMS. Today, as we stand at the crossroads of data and technology, let us not miss this opportunity to transform our businesses, our lives, and our future. Join AECO, build your own AI chatbot like NEURA, and witness the remarkable achievements that await you. The future of data analysis is now, and it is powered by AI chatbots like NEURA. Embrace it, harness it, and together, let us achieve the extraordinary. Thank you.